Children, today we are going to start with lesson number 8. The name of the lesson is Safety and First Aid. So, all of you open textbook page number 43 with me and we will start reading the lesson. Lesson number 8, Safety and First Aid. Saina, walk on the pavement. Being careless can lead to an accident. Okay, Papa, I'll be careful and walk on the pavement. So, in the first picture, we see that Saina's father is telling her to walk on the pavement. Pavement is the road which is used for walking, which is alongside the road. So, her dad is telling her to walk on the pavement or it can lead to an accident. And Saina is telling that she'll take care and she will walk on the pavement. Accidents take place when we are careless. They can cause injury and harm our body. To save ourselves from accident, we should be careful. Safety rules help us to be safe. We must follow them. So, children, from this first paragraph, we come to know that we should be careful while we are walking on the road, or otherwise accident can take place and we can hurt ourselves. So we should follow the safety rules. So today we are going to study some of the safety rules which we should follow. Before that, we have to answer this question over here. Saina wants to know, name 4 places outside your house where you have to be careful. So children, we have to be careful on the roads, on the zoo, in the park, and in the school. So these are the 4 places where you have to be careful. Now you have to sing this poem with me. Sing with your teacher. Stop, look and listen before you cross the street. First use your eyes and ears, then use your feet. It is a wonderful poem. It is giving us information about how we should cross the road. First, we should stop, look, and listen what is going around us. Then, before crossing, we should see left, we should see right, you should use our eyes, ears, and then we should cross the road properly. At last, we should use our feet to cross the road. So, we are going to sing this poem again. All children sing with me. Stop, look and listen before you cross the street. First use your eyes and ears, then use your feet. Stop, look and listen before you cross the street. First use your eyes and ears, then use your feet. So now we are going to study about safety on the road. Walk on the pavement. Always cross the road when the traffic light is red and the traffic has stopped. Look to the right, then to the left, and again to the right before crossing the road. Cross it only when there is no vehicle coming. So, children, these are some of the safety rules we should follow on the road. Walk on the pavement. Pavement is the place alongside the road which is used for walking. So you should use the pavement when you are walking on the road. Always cross the road when the traffic light is red. So we should follow the traffic signal. We should follow the traffic rules. So when there is less traffic and the traffic light is red, you should cross the road. Look at the left, right before crossing the road. Cross only if there is no vehicle. If there is too much rush of the vehicles, you can stand along the roadside. There is no need to cross the road in a hurry, because if you will cross the road in a hurry, it can lead to an accident and we can injure ourselves. Never run across the road. Cross the road only at zebra crossing. Yes, so you should use the zebra crossing to cross the road. The next is safety while playing. Do not play on the road. Children, we should not play on the road, because if we'll play on the road, any vehicle can come and crash us and we can injure ourselves. So it is better that we play on the playgrounds and not on the road. The second one is, do not play with sharp objects. You should not play with sharp object, means you should not play with knife, scissor, blades. You should avoid playing with such object. Follow the rules of the game. If you are playing any rules, you should follow the rules of that game, so you can play it easily. There will be no fights and you will enjoy the game. Wait patiently for your turn on the slides and swings. Do not stand in front of a moving swing. So whenever you are playing with a swing or a slide, you should wait for your turn. You should not push others when you are standing on a slide, because they can hurt themselves. And you should yourself not stand near the swing, because as a child is playing a swing, there are chances that you can get hurt. Never push others from a swing, slide or seesaw, because if you do like this, you will hurt them. Do not play or hide in dark or lonely places. You should not play alone or hide in lonely places where no one can see you or find you. You can be into a trouble. Cycle inside a playground and not on the road. When you are learning to cycle, children, you should not go directly on the road. You should learn to cycle on the playground. Fly kites in open field and not on the rooftop. So whenever you are flying kites, you should fly it on the fields, on the playground. You should not go on the roof, because if you are flying the kites on the roof, there is a chance that you can fall from the roof. So it is better that we take care, we be safe. So we should fly kites on the ground and not on the rooftop. Do not play near open manholes. Now manholes is opening on the road or on the ground, so we should not play near the manholes. So some of the safety rules we should follow are that we should use a zebra crossing to cross the road. We should not play near the manhole. Now this is a manhole on the road, because if you play near it, you can fall in it. Don't play on the road. It can lead to an accident. Follow the traffic signal always. Do not use mobile while riding a cycle or while you are going or crossing a road. You should not use mobile. So these are some of the safety rules you should follow when you are on the road. The safety rules we should follow while playing: you should not fight with any person. You should not play near the manholes. You should play properly while you are on the swings and slides. You should not push anyone from the slides. While climbing or while sliding, you should play kites on the playground and cycle on the ground and not on the road. So these are the safety rules which we should follow when we are on the road and we are on. Mark a tick for the correct statement and a cross for incorrect statement. So we have to mark a tick for correct statement and a cross for incorrect statement. The first one is, we should play with a knife. It is wrong, so we have marked a cross. The next one is, we should not stand in front of swing. Right, so we have ticked there. We should never walk on pavement. It is wrong. We should always walk on a pavement. We should follow the rules of the game. Yes, we should follow the rules of the game. We should cross the road at zebra crossing. Right, we should always cross the road at zebra crossing. So children, you can mark this right now as we are doing it. So this is all for today. We have learned about the different safety rules we should follow on the road and the safety rules we should follow while playing. The remaining part of the lesson we will continue tomorrow. Bye.